my name's Katharine and today I'm going to show you how to make an Easter chick stamp out of a toilet roll tube. To create your Easter chick stamps, you will need one toilet roll tube, white or scrap card, a black marker and yellow and white paint. Firstly, you're going to dip the end of the toilet roll tube into the yellow paint and you're going to stamp this onto your paper or card, creating a yellow ring. Next, you're going to paint yellow fluff onto the chick's head with a brush or use the end of a brush. I had some red paint, so I decided to add cheeks to my chicks using my fingertips. Draw on the chick's beak, eyes and legs using your black marker. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed making your Easter craft with me today.